Good day, welcome to our group. And in this group, we're going to be talking about business intelligence and analytics. My name is Ade Shewa, and I'm going to be talking about the decision-making aspect of this topic. What's decision-making? Decision-making encompasses the software technologies and practices that managers apply to the data to gain insights that help make better decisions in an organization. There are three levels of decision making, and I'm going to be talking about the three levels of decision making. The first level is the operational level. This level covers day-to-day functions of the organization. These are the people that make decisions daily, that deal directly with customers and handle routine transactions. We have tactical level. Tactical level are people that make mid-level decisions that may guide individual business units. And business units, we are talking about marketing units, production development, departmental budget, and other etc. They deal with short-term impact of an organization. Then we have the last one, strategic level. Strategic level is them they deal with long term, like they focus on the vision and mission of an organization, how they can make the organization greater in 5 to 10 years. So that's all. Thank you very much. So I'll be passing on to Ms. Tura to take the next.
Start.
Hi, my name is Ms. Tura. I'm ready to speak on business intelligence. Business intelligence is an umbrella term that includes the vast quantities of information an organization might use for data-driven decision, making from within its own data propositions and also from internal sources. And then you can also say business intelligence helps companies make informed decisions on strategic issues by providing crucial information on the current and historical performance of company, along with future trends, expected demands, consumer behavior, etc. So we have two sources of business intelligence. We have the internal sources and external sources. Under the internal sources, we have foundational database, which is used for the daily operations in an organization. We also have data warehouses. External sources, we have the international agents and also the BI and big data.
My name is Ishola Siranuluwako, and I'm going to take over for Ms. Now, my top topic is analyzing of patterns, trends, and relationships. I'm going to start by explaining the subtopics under analyzing patterns. So under that, we have OLAP, that's full meaning for online analytical processing. That is a software that allows users to slice and dice or drill into massive amounts of stored in data warehouses to review what? To review a significant pattern and trend. Yeah. So next, we're going to be moving to statistical and modeling techniques. That has to do with data mining, and that has to do with using statistical analysis and models to display averages or to display changes over time. The next one we're going to talk about is going to be text analysis. What does that do? That is used to show or hide quality information from text. Next subtopic would be simulating and forecasting. Under that, we have what if analysis, we have goal seeking and optimization, and we have forecasting. Now I'm going to want to do something different. So now let's start from the last subtopic, which is forecasting. Now just hearing forecasting, you can see that talks about seeing into the future, seeing into something. So what does forecasting do? Yeah, it is a statistical decision support tool. What is it used for? It's used to analyze historical trends. It's used to analyze other business intelligence or estimates of variable of interest, such as customer demand. Now we're going to move to goal seeking and optimization. Goal seeking is used to target value for a particular metric, such as profits or losses, while optimization is an extension of goal seeking that allows users to change variables as many times as possible to get to a particular target. So the last one we're going to be talking about under this subtopic is what if analysis. This is a tool that builds a model that simulates relationships between many variables. Now we're getting to the end of this whole charade, and that's funny, right? Yeah, it's funny. So now we're going to talk about artificial intelligence, that's AI. So yes, artificial intelligence is capable of using machines to mimic aspects of human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, judging, or drawing into conclusions from an incomplete information. Now let's use like the IBM Watson as an example. That is an AI. And what is that used for? It is used to predict like future outcomes of like organizations and other things like that. So while like there's every challenges for everything in life, humans, companies. So the challenges of IBM Watson is what capture and also scammers. So I'm going to personally want to define what capture is, so you don't get confused that what am I talking about. So what is capture? Capture is a test created by software developers that the visitor must pass through before continuing to register or enter into a site. Now the last part of my subtopic is artificial intelligence applications. Now under that we have the expert system, we have the neutral network, and we have the computer vision. Now expert system is a software that mimics the reasoning and decision making of a human expert, and like they draw decisions and conclusions from that. Now let's talk about the neural network. It is an information system that attempts to mimic the way human brain works, often used to spot suspicious activity or financial transactions. So last one would be computer vision. It trains the computer to interpret and understand the visual world. So yes, thank you for listening to me, and I hope you understood me. So I'll be passing on to Anna.
My name is Oleshe Hannah, and I'm going to be discussing how web analytics can be used for business intelligence and how it's valuable in understanding customers. First of all, a business main goals are to increase profitability, reduce risk management, and reduce cost. So, but the data analysis for those systems can be very overwhelming sometimes and very scattered. So they need an organized form of data to help them do so. So they make use of business intelligence metrics such as web metrics, social media metrics, and e-commerce metrics. Web metrics whereby they collect server logs. It comes from server logs, and each entry contains detailed information about the time and date, the page, the source, and any other clicks on that page, such as total visits, total number of unique visitors, traffic sources, page views, bounty rates, and other measures that reveal how well the site meets its goals. Social media metrics, whereby in this case, the people they supply their content, they provide the content, and they build networks and communities with people on that social media. And at the same time, their privacy of course are also protected by the social media company. E-commerce metrics, when a site includes advertising and e-commerce activities, and the metrics are all about sales, then the metrics about sales are important, such as which visitors abandoned their shopping, how many pages did they view, which pages did they linger on the most, and depending on the number of people that visit that page or spend time on particular products. It also helps in achieving goals, whereby analytics software shows thousands of graphs, tables, and charts that helps companies make smart decisions and set goals for the site they are looking for. And it's also very effective in ads, where e-commerce metrics are essential for marketers because over time, patterns can be able to predict patterns and about how much. Over time, patterns can predict how much a company needs to spend on an online campaign. Other benefits of business intelligence are to ensure customer satisfaction, for data accuracy, and so on.
I'm taking over from Anna. My name is Moses. My topic is dashboard and portals. What is dashboard? In management information system, a dashboard is an easy to read user interface showing a graphical presentation of the current status and historical trends of an organization key performance indicators. Indicators to enable instantaneous and information decisions to be made at a glance. Dashboard is also known as reports. The graphical user interface (GUI). This is the type of user interface through which a user interacts with electronic devices such as computers and smartphones through the use of icons, menus, and other visual indicators or representation. Examples of GUI are Chrome operating system and Microsoft Windows. The GUI was first developed at ZeroSpark by Alan Key, Douglas Engelbart, and a group of researchers in 1981. Later, Apple introduced the Lisa computer, which with a GUI on January 19, 1988. Key performance indicators (KPI). This is the type of performance measurements used to evaluate the success of an organization particular activity. Performance. They do not have a monetary value, but they do contribute to the company. The technology that provides user with a single interface to discover and interact with an enterprise. Examples of general portals are Yahoo, Excite, Netscape, Lycos, Znet, Microsoft Network.